Assalam Alaikum.
Wa Alaikum Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear?
I'm good.
Yes. How was your day?
It was good.
MashaAllah. Did you forget the class?
Pardon?
You are late today.
Yeah, I lost track of time.
Mm. Okay. Should we start now?
Yeah.
Okay, now. Look, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is the lesson
Okay.
we are going to learn today. Okay. You remember what we add with Fatha? Which letter we add with Fatha to give the sound?
No.
With Fatha, A.
Okay. Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
With Kasra, this sound. With Dhamma, this.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. With Fatha, with Kasra, and then Dhamma. Allahu Akbar. Look, Dhamma. And now here you would see the same thing, but Fatha would be like this, and Kasra will be like this, and Dhamma would be like this. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. And we call this standing Fatha, and this standing Kasra, and this would be standing Dhamma.
Okay.
Okay? Yes. And the sound would be the same, but you will have to stretch a bit. Like this was just take the letter ba as an example. Ba fatha is ba, right?
Yeah.
And ba kasra is b, ba dhamma is bu. So with this standing fatha, ba standing fatha would be not ba, but be a little bit stretched. Ba and ba kasra, not b, rather b, then ba standing dhamma, bu. Okay?
Okay.
Ba standing fatha, ba standing kasra, b, ba standing dhamma, bu. Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's start now.
Ba standing fatha ba. Ya.
Mm,
Ya standing fatha. Ya.
yes,
Ra standing fatha. Ra.
excellent.
Um. Mim.
Mm,
Mim standing fatha. Ma.
excellent. Yes,
Lam standing fatha. La.
yes.
Wow.
Mm,
Wow standing fatha. Wa.
yes, good.
Nun standing fatha. Nu.
Mm-hmm. Fatha, what
No.
is the sound?
Nun. Nun standing fatha. Na.
Excellent. Hold on a moment, my dear. Okay, next one.
Hamza standing fatha. Ha standing fatha. Ha. Ayin.
Mm,
Ayin standing fatha.
yes, next one.
Ha standing fatha. Ha.
Good.
Ghain standing fatha. Gra.
Excellent. Now read with standing kasra.
Ba standing kasra. B.
Excellent. Next.
Ya standing kasra. Yi.
Good, my dear. Yes, next one. Keep going.
Okay. Ra standing kasra. Re. Mim standing kasra. Mi. Lam standing kasra. Li. Wow standing kasra. Li. We. Noon standing kasra. Ni. Hamza standing kasra. E.
Excellent. Yes.
Ha standing kasra. He. Ayin standing kasra. E.
Mm.
Ha standing kasra. He. Ghain standing kasra. Gi.
Okay, now read with standing dhamma.
Ba standing dhamma. Bu.
Mm.
Ya standing dhamma. You. Ra standing dhamma. Ru.
Mm.
Mim standing dhamma. Mu. Lam standing dhamma. Lu. Wow standing dhamma. Wu. Noon standing dhamma. Nu. Hamza standing dhamma. U. Ha standing dhamma. Hu. Ayin standing dhamma. U. Ha standing dhamma. Hu. Ghain standing dhamma. Gu.
Okay, let's continue. Let's start the next page, Maida. You're doing great, mashallah. Okay, this lesson is very short and easy as well, right? Very easy.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, continue with standing fatha, okay, as it is here.
Okay. Ka standing fatha. Ka. Ta standing fatha. Ta. Sa standing fatha. Sa. Jim standing fatha. Ja. Dal standing fatha. Da. Thou standing fatha. Tha.
Yes. Now,
Ra standing.
Anna, don't go to next one. Read the same line with the standing kasra now.
Ka standing kasra. Ki. Ta standing kasra. Ti. Sa standing kasra. Si. Jim.
Yes, yes.
Jim standing kasra. Ji. Dal standing kasra. Di. Thou standing. Thou standing kasra. The.
Yes, now with standing dhamma.
Ka standing dhamma. Ku. Ta standing dhamma. Tu. Sa standing dhamma. Su.
Mm. Next.
Jim
Mm.
standing dhamma. Ju. Dal standing dhamma. Du. Thou standing dhamma. Thu.
Yes. Well done. Now next line with three signs. Other than.
Ros.
Haha, Ra
No,
doesn't have a dot.
za.
Yes.
Za standing fatha. Za. Sin standing fatha. Sa.
Mm.
Shin standing fatha. Sha. Sod standing fatha. Sa. Dod standing fatha. Da. Ta standing fathah ta.
Hmm. Yes.
Ra no
Ah,
za.
yes.
Za standing kasra. Z
Excellent.
Sin standing kasra. Si Sheen standing kasra. She Sod standing kasra. Si Dod standing kasra. D um, Da standing kasra. D
Yes. Now with Dhamma,
Ra standing dhamma.
this is the third time you're
No,
doing the same mistake.
no. Za standing dhamma. Zu
Hmm.
Sin standing dhamma. Su Sheen standing dhamma. Shu Sod standing dhamma. Su Dod standing dhamma. Du Da standing dhamma. Du
Well done, Maida. Next line now.
Za standing dhamma.
No, no, with Fatha first.
Oh yeah. Za standing fathah. Za
Zo, a little bit heavy.
Za
Hmm.
Fa double Fa standing fathah. Fa Kof standing fathah. Ki Ka
Qa,
Ka
qa.
Ka
Yes, this one.
Fa standing fathah. Ka
Yes, ka standing Fatha. You said fa.
Ka standing fathah. Ka
Hmm.
Alif standing fathah. Ha standing fathah. Ha
Hmm. Now with kasra, standing kasra.
Za standing kasra. Z
Good.
Fa standing kasra. Fi um
Qa,
Qaf
qaf, yes.
Qaf standing kasra. Ki
Hmm.
Kaf standing kasra. Ki
Hmm.
Alif standing kasra. I Ha standing kasra. He
Yes.
Za Za
Hmm.
Za standing dhamma. Zu
Hmm.
Fa standing dhamma. Fu Qaf standing dhamma. Ku
No, don't expel the air from mouth. Don't expel it without air.
Ku
Qu, qu,
Ku
qa. This one, qa. Yes.
Ku
Hmm.
Kaf Kaf standing dhamma. Ku
Hmm.
Alif standing dhamma. U
Hmm.
Ha standing dhamma. Hu
Hmm. Okay, next line.
Wow Wow standing fathah. Wu
Nana,
Ha
what did you
standing
say? Wow, what?
wow
Yes.
Wow standing fathah. Wu
Nah, do you understand? What are you saying?
Wa,
Yeah.
wa,
Wow.
wa,
Yes, wow
wow,
standing fatha.
wow standing fatha, wa,
Yes.
ha standing fatha, ha, hamza standing fatha, a, wow standing kasra, we, ha standing kasra, he, hamza standing kasra,
Hamza,
no,
Hamza.
he,
Yes.
wow, wow standing dhamma, woo, ha standing dhamma, who, hamza standing dhamma, oo.
Excellent, Maida. Yes, Maida, apart from this, let me ask you. Okay, this is which letter is it?
Fa,
Okay, what is this?
fa fatha,
Hmm. Read it.
fa fatha, fa standing fatha, fa dhamma, fu,
Hmm.
fa kasra, fi,
Hmm.
fa standing dhamma, fu,
Yes, and then now this one.
fa standing kasra, fi.
Okay, nothing is remaining, right? Okay, one thing. What is this called? Oh, we haven't read this. Sorry. Yes, Maida, what else should we do now? You have finished the lesson, mashallah, already. And
Uh,
tomorrow, inshallah, we'll start this one. Yes, some kids get confused in this lesson, so be prepared for it, okay?
okay.
And it is very easy, inshallah. Okay. Okay, Maida, I think let's end our class here. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll
Okay.
start that lesson, okay? Be in
Okay.
time. Okay, Maida, see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Goodbye.